nakulezi insuku ezimbi kangaka
even in these wicked days.
siyambonga uNkulunkulu ngalombono
We bless the Lord for this vision,
ngoba zikhona ezikhulela la inkonzweni
because there are those who grow here in the church
ezingaphazanyiswa isikhathi
who are not disturbed by time,
ezinga-intimidatewa yi-peer pressure.
who are not intimidated by peer pressure.
Alibonge igama lenkosi.
Amen.
Iyona-ke le nkonzo yamantombazane. Amen.
This is the girls' service.
Into engiyithanda kakhulu kulombono wokuba kubekho inkonzo yamantombazane.
What I love mostly in the girls' vision,
Uma kuthiwa omama namantombazane kufuneka baphume bahambele imizi.
when they say mothers and girls should go around visiting homes,
uNkulunkulu wayemambulela ukuthi omama namantombazane
God revealed to him that mothers and girls,
noma bengamanga bashumayele emapulpiti
even if they don't preach on the pulpit,
ngalezi ikhashana bengena emzini
by the times they enter into homes,
ilesikhathi bedlulisa indaba enkulu kaJesu osindisayo.
it is the time when they pass the good news of Christ who saves.
Akekho umuntu oxwayayo mayibona umuntu wesifazane ngene ekhaya.
No one gets disturbed when a girl enters a home.
Abantu besifazane bangena njengamaphela nanjengeyibhanko ongayimemi.
Women just enter without invitations.
Bese kuthiwa kulomuzi uthandaze umama ubani noma intombi ethize umama waphila la ekhaya.
And then they say a certain woman or girl prayed and then the mother got healed.
Bese kuthiwa athi ubaba wale ekhaya ngicela nizongenzela umthandazo.
And then the father says, please come and pray for me.
Abese mema omakhelwane.
And then he invites neighbors.
Alibonge igama lenkosi.
Amen.
Ngaleyo ndlela ibandla likaNkulunkulu liyanda.
In that way, the church of God grows or increases.
Ngoba mabephuma beya lapha
Because when they go there,
kuvuleka iseli lapha.
a cell is opened.
Baphume bayothandaza kulamzi.
They go and pray at that home.
Kuvuleka iseli
And
lapha.
then a cell
Baye
is
kwenye
established.
section kanjalo kanjalo.
They go here and there.
Bese liyakhula ibandla ngoba kuzogcwala amaseli kuze kugcine sekungama preaching points.
And then the church grows because there are cells and then preaching points are
Bese
given back
liyanda
to.
kibandla.
And then the church grows.
Alibonge igama lenkosi.
Amen.
Hayi nathi siyabala kwabashumayelayo. Amen.
We are also included to those who preach.
Alibonge igama lenkosi.